Firsthand what a storm could do to their area, most recently with Tropical Storm Gordon.
Yeah, this afternoon winds picked up, waves smashed ashore, causing some light street flooding on the west end there. NBC 15's Rachel Wilkerson is live from Dauphin Island tonight.
Rachel, what is it looking like there on the island right now?
Well, Kim and Greg, the tide is high and the waves have just been crashing in, causing this flooding on the west end of the island. You can see some of this flooding here, and it goes on all the way down to the beach, and Mayor Collier is asking people to push their vehicle back on higher ground so they don't get stuck in this flood water. High tides, increased wave action, and flooding on the west end of Dauphin Island, all caused by Hurricane Michael. Tourists are on alert because a shift in the storm can have a major impact.
I got a little bit of concern, but as long as it heads east, I think we'll be all right here. It would mainly be the flooding.
Flooding is right. Choppy waves have spilled over across Bienville Boulevard, and drivers are turning around and using the opposite lane because the water keeps getting deeper. Mayor Collier is asking people to pull their vehicles back on higher grounds.
We've got them up high on the pad at the parking area by the beach house, but I have an Odyssey, so it's really low to the ground. So right now, we moved it this morning and put it behind Boardwalk Realty, and that's where it's sitting now.
The wind is picked up and the sun is shining, but Suzanne Marbley says it's the calm before the storm.
You can feel it. I can feel it on my back, and when it gets cool, and then it'll get real still, and then all of a sudden, there will be the burst and the hurricane will go through.
Marbley says her family visits the island every year. Last year, they had to evacuate because of Nate.
We left most of our stuff in the house, and of course, you don't know if it's going to be there when you come back. And luckily, all ours was, and the steps were still there.
And they're stocked up and ready for Hurricane Michael.
We got plenty of supplies in the house, so we're not worried about having enough food or water or anything. We think we'll be all right.
And officials are asking people to be smart, be aware of these conditions, especially when driving through water, because you don't know how deep it is, and there is not a lifeguard on the beach. So drowning is a major concern, and someone might not know that you're out there. Now, we'll certainly be monitoring these conditions, so make sure to download our NBC 15 weather app for the latest update. Reporting live on Dauphin Island, Rachel Wilkerson, NBC 15 News.